Hey there! Whether you're securing your home or business, your CCTV system is only as good as how well it's protected. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 essential ways to make sure your CCTV never lets you down.
Number 1 is maintenance. This is the most important and most overlooked way to protect your CCTV system. With an active maintenance schedule, you can catch issues early, update firmware, clean your lenses, and perform remote diagnostics to ensure everything is running smoothly. Number 2. Protect your system from power failure and voltage fluctuations. Power issues are one of the biggest causes of camera and recorder damage. The solution? Use a UPS or inverter with automatic voltage regulation (AVR) to keep your system secure and running smoothly even during blackouts. Number 3 is your hard disk, the brain of your CCTV recording. If your hard disk fails, you lose all your footage. Regularly run diagnostics to check for bad sectors and errors. A failing hard disk will often show signs before it completely dies, so don't ignore the warnings. Number 4. Protect your cables, connectors, and joints. Rodents, weather, and even people can accidentally or intentionally damage your wiring. Use pipes or trunking, cover connectors with junction boxes, and where needed, use tape to seal off sensitive areas. Last but not least, protect the entire system. Keep it in a cool environment, either air-conditioned or with a cooling fan, and restrict unauthorized access with password protection, while also placing the system in secured enclosures. Quick recap: to protect your CCTV from failure, maintain it regularly. Use backup power with AVR. Test your hard disk often. Protect your cables and joints. Keep your system cool and secure. Hit the like button if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on keeping your home and business secure. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button. For more tips on CCTV systems, smart surveillance, and tech insights, stay connected. And if you're in need of expert CCTV services, get in touch with us using the links below.